Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for engineering students. First, create a dedicated workspace to keep all your academic materials organized. You can start by using Notion's pre-built templates for quick setup of common tasks like course schedules or project trackers. Then, organize your courses, projects, and notes within a structured database. This central hub will streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage multiple subjects and assignments throughout your academic journey. It's a powerful tool for staying on top of everything. Notion excels at project management, which is crucial for engineering students. You can track project progress using visual Kanban boards or detailed timeline views, giving you a clear overview. Easily assign tasks to yourself or team members, set specific deadlines, and link all relevant resources directly within each task. This fosters seamless collaboration on group assignments, ensuring everyone stays informed and on schedule. It's an excellent way to manage complex projects from start to finish. For effective studying, Notion is a game changer. Consolidate all your lecture notes, research papers, and problem sets into one accessible location. Utilize linked databases to connect related concepts across different engineering subjects, building a comprehensive knowledge base. You can even create custom flashcards and quizzes directly within Notion for active recall, significantly boosting your retention. This integrated approach transforms how you prepare for exams and understand complex topics. To truly maximize Notion's potential, explore its advanced features. Automate repetitive tasks using Notion buttons and custom templates, saving you valuable time. Seamlessly integrate external tools like GitHub for code management or Google Drive for document storage, creating a unified workflow. Finally, customize your dashboards to visualize your academic progress at a glance, tracking grades, deadlines, and overall workload. These features will elevate your productivity and organization to a new level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.